In this video, we are going to learn how to find the font from any image we want. So let's get started. We will try to find out the font of this image. As you can see, it's in perspective view, so it's quite difficult to find the font of it. So let's change the view from perspective to front. There are two ways to do it. First is take the perspective crop tool and make a rectangular shape over the logo. When you create these 4 points, keep in mind the distance and how much the image or the logo is skewed. You need to align the rectangle with the logo itself. Click on tick to apply the result. The result is good, but it's kind of stretched. Let's try the second way. Press Ctrl or Command Z to undo it. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Expand the Geometry panel. Take the Guided tool. Now draw the guide on the top. Remember, the guide should be aligned with the logo. Same thing we will do on the bottom part as well. The result is already straight. You can also draw guides on left and right as well. It is actually not needed in this design, but sometimes we do need it. Look at the result, it's quite good as compared to the perspective tool we used before. Let's crop only the logo part. Now the main task, find the font. Go to Type, Match Font. It will open the Match Font options. Now make a selection only on the Mimamsa font. There are several results in it and Montserrat Bold comes on the top, so we will use it. Click OK. Now type the font Mimamsa. We will also discuss what are the advantages and limitations of Match Font. So don't skip, see it till the end. Otherwise you will not be able to get full knowledge of it. This is looking exactly like the logo font. It's just a little stretched out. Let's stretch it and put it over the font. It's perfectly matched with the font. Let's use it on another font style. This is an image of Merry Christmas. I want to know the font of Merry Christmas. Go to Type, Match Font. Select the Merry Christmas font area. The top result is Ultra Distance Standard. Let's type this font and match it with this one. This is the exact font. There is another advantage of Match Font feature. In this group we have two layers. First is the Christmas image and second is the font. That means font is already separated from the image. The original font I used in this text is Bibis New. Let's see if it's able to find the font name. And it already gave the right result on the top. But it's also able to find similar options for us. That's another advantage of it. But it's not 100% accurate every time. Sometimes it couldn't find the font. Let me show you its example of limitation. This is another group. In this we have our image and the text layer. The font I used is Master of Break. Do the process again. Type, Match Font, select the area. As you can see, it's not able to find the font even if it's existing in the software. So sometimes it helps, sometimes it's not. Depends on the font style, but we can't ignore other advantages of it. This tool is great. I hope you learned something new, and if you do, hit the subscribe button. Your feedback means a lot to me. Tell me your views in the comment section. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.